Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to run a quarterly meeting in Bloom Growth, helping your team reflect on the past quarter, align on priorities, and plan for the next 90 days. Quarterly meetings are more than a simple check-in. They're an opportunity to celebrate wins, learn from challenges, and set meaningful goals that move the business forward. The good news is that you don't need to create a brand new meeting for quarterly planning. You'll use your existing weekly meeting. Start by opening your regular weekly meeting. Click the down arrow in the Meeting Options menu. Select Quarterly Planning from the drop-down, and then click Start. The agenda will automatically switch to the quarterly format and return to your weekly agenda when you're finished. Just like in your weekly meetings, begin with a check-in. This time, focus on reflecting on the past quarter. Talk about how the quarter went overall, highlight team wins, and share key learnings. Next, review the last quarter in more detail. Discuss what worked well and what didn't. As conversations come up, capture important points as obstacles and opportunities or to-dos directly in the meeting. This keeps decisions and action items organized in one place. After that, review your business plan. Any long-term obstacles and opportunities from the plan will already appear in the O and O's section, ready to be discussed and prioritized with the team. Now, shift the conversation to learning opportunities. Talk about insights, patterns, and growth opportunities from the last quarter. These learnings will help shape your priorities and goals for the next 90 days. Once you've reflected, it's time to set new quarterly priorities. Start by archiving last quarter's priorities, then work together to create and finalize the new ones during the meeting. Completing this step together ensures everyone leaves aligned and clear on what matters most. Next, focus on resolving key issues. Prioritize the most important challenges your team needs to address. Long-term O&Os from your business plan will be clearly labeled, making them easy to identify during the discussion. Then manage your to-dos. Add clear, actionable items that will carry into your weekly meetings. For example, you might assign someone to create milestones for a new goal before the next weekly check-in. To wrap up the session, add any final to-dos, rate the meeting, and complete the concluding actions. When the quarterly session ends, Bloom Growth will automatically switch you back to your regular weekly agenda. And that's how you run a quarterly meeting in Bloom Growth. Start with a check-in, review the last quarter, set new goals, and wrap up with clear next steps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Bloom Growth tutorials for more tips and best practices.